We're back. Okay, so today we're recording something. I didn't think I was gonna get to record this video till like Friday, Saturday. This is the Urban Decay Stay Naked Weightless Liquid Foundation. It says up to 24 hours. Y'all know this don't even last a full hour on my face. So we have the foundation and the concealer. So first, I'm just gonna give you like a brief description. Okay, so first I got the foundation in the shade 70 WR. So right off the bat, like a lot of times foundations have like WR, or I've never seen WR, but you know how MAC has like NC45 and all that stuff, and you never really know what these letters and numbers mean. So the 70, they have it spelled out for you on the box, which is nice. 70 is dark, so that means like the shade intensity, so whatever the number is. The W is for R, and the W is for warm, the master tone, and the R is for red, the undertone. Initially when I got this, I was like, I thought the package was light. I was like, they only shipped me a concealer. I know it, because it was so light. This looks like glass, but it's not. It's plastic, so you don't have to worry about it like breaking too much. Also though, like, you know me, I'm gonna critique everything. I was like, can we not have just like filled up this space so we could have got that space of foundation? But it doesn't matter anyway, because from what it looks like, that's like the actual shape of like the container inside that's holding your makeup. So they just like cut some back. All this out here is just fluff. So there it is, like rubbed in. Better, right? I know. Concealer shade I got is 50 CP. Now look, this concealer look different online. That's all I'm gonna say, because y'all know like I like a bright concealer, but this is bright. So I'm for sure gonna have to use like another concealer with this. Look, y'all know I like a really bright concealer, and I can just about make any foundation and concealer shade work. So we're gonna make it work. The foundation is medium, the concealer is full. Which I don't know why they would do like one full and not the other. Like I would think they would make this full coverage, but maybe because it's called Stay Naked, it's supposed to look like skin, I guess. I don't know. So I'm gonna start, let me put on some primer. Let me put some primer on. Put some primer on, mind my business. I'm talking. So side note, I do have my CoverGirl Matte Ambition foundation here too, just in case. I feel like I probably am gonna use a bit of it. Just, you guys know I like to contour like from the base. So initial, like, it's a runny one. Like remember how the e.l.f. one was like pretty thick and like a moussey type of deal? This is runny. So I am gonna definitely put some of the CoverGirl on, but I just want to put it on my face. Like, it actually isn't that too far off of a match, to be honest with you. Like, but it's pretty good. They did have I want to say I remember seeing a like match my shade type of deal, or find my shade type of deal on Ulta. I could be wrong. If they do, I'll put up a screen recording so you can see like how that's done. This lays down like a dream. It blends out really nice. If you get this in your perfect shade, like this will be good. I'm just gonna like see how buildable it is. You guys know I have acne, scarring, and hyperpigmentation and that fun stuff. I would want to see if it will cover my hyperpigmentation. And it is definitely buildable. It definitely covers it. Like I do still see like a little bit of it peeking through, but like nothing that would warrant like concern, you know? It does have a doe foot, but the doe foot is like kind of shaped, which is, I haven't used one like that before. It was shaped like that. Wow, girl, you're white. And then some right here. we're for sure gonna have to like blend her like to oblivion. Like within an inch of our life, we're gonna have to blend her because do you see her? She's bright. Okay, so she blended out okay. We're just all very bright under her eyes. We're right. We're right. We're right. There's a little bit of darkness still remaining under my eyes, I feel like. Like, I feel like even my ColourPop concealer would have gotten that, but I'm gonna apply the rest of my makeup, and then I'll be back and let you know, like, how I feel about it. All right, y'all, this is our finished look. I see why they named them Stay Naked, or why they added them, like, to the Naked family with Urban Decay, because obviously, like, I have on a shit ton of makeup right now. We know this. But it just looks like my skin. The concealer is good. I don't know if I would necessarily say it's a full coverage though, because this says it was medium coverage. I see why they say it's like medium, like buildable coverage. They say this is full coverage, and I expect to like be able to like cover everything, like dark circles and all. I didn't color correct this time. It wasn't on purpose, but maybe it was like good that I did it just to see like how well it could cover. And I feel like I still have like darkness under my eyes. So I'm curious to know why they did something like that was full coverage and medium coverage. Like I wonder why they didn't do both of them medium coverage or both of them full coverage, even though I feel like they are both medium coverage. Anyways, so I would definitely say like if you're thinking about going to get these, like I don't feel like it would be money wasted. I feel like the foundation is like a for sure yes. The concealer, like I'm still kind of iffy about. Like I definitely feel like my ColourPop concealer like performs like the same, like on par with this, like if not better than this. And also the e.l.f. like camo concealer, like those are both really good. So that is it. I did not film this eye look. I was gonna do like a separate video with like just a tutorial on this eye. I didn't. Maybe I'll try to recreate it. If you guys want me to recreate it, just let me know below. I'll link below to those two products. I'll link below to what I use on my eyes and maybe everything on my face. Yeah, I'll link below to everything I use on my face. Don't forget to subscribe. Y'all, we made it over 1,000. Congratulations to my subscriber who won. And yeah, so that is it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Niara Alexis. I do like little secret giveaways on there sometimes. And I will see you guys next time.